Is it running? Yeah. Hey guys, are you Rangers fans?
Yes.
How do you know? Tell me how you're a Rangers.
Because in New York.
Oh, you like New York?
Yes.
How about you?
Yes. Because they're Rangers and I see Rangers.
You think the Rangers are going to win tonight?
Yeah, they're going to win the Stanley Cup.
All right. Go Rangers. Go Rangers. Wow. Show me a Rangers move. Show me a skater. That's a skater? I don't think so. Oh, jeez. Oh, there's balls all over the place. What?
Rangers in blue.
Hey, yes, you got it. The Rangers are in blue. Take care.